Hello and welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import images from an external folder. In this case here I've got a folder on my desktop which is my Morocco 2012. Now I could import this folder by simply dragging and dropping the folder inside the library, but I'm going to show you another method. So if you go into Photos on top left here on the file, you can go to Import. Now, when you click that, you're going to see the Finder window, and I can go to the desktop under my Morocco 2012, so I can see all my pictures there. And now I can click on Review for Import. So when I click there, I'm going to see all my pictures within that folder inside my library. And by the way, I'm going to just resize this to make it slightly wider. Now, I've got a few options on top. So if you see at the top right hand corner, I've got an option to import all new photos or import selected. So if I want to import them all, I just click on that and I import them all. Or I can just select the one I want by simply clicking on them. And when you do that, you have this blue tick appearing on the image. So I can do that. I can be very selective and select only the one I like. Now, another option I've got here is to keep folder organization. What that means is if I organize these pictures into the folder here externally into a certain order, it will keep that organization for me, which is very, very handy. Otherwise, just leave it unchecked. At the top left, you'll see the name of the folder. In this case is Morocco 2012. And at the center, I've got another option that they added now with the new photos, which is Import To. It says library, of course, or new album. I can actually create a new album and import it into one of my albums here. Now, bear in mind when you import the pictures into the album, they will be imported into the library as well. I'm going to explain about the hierarchy of your photos later and how to organize them. But at the moment, I'm going to create a new album directly here. I'm going to name this album Morocco 2012. After I do that, just press OK. And now I've got a folder called Morocco 2012 here on the left hand side. And now I'm ready to import. So I can click on Import 12 selected or import them all. It's up to you. I'm going to import only the 12. Click on Import. And now the picture will be imported into my album. So that's the way to import from an external folder or from an external hard drive if you have that connected. In the next video, I'm going to show you other ways to import your images into the library.